Hi everyone, let's start with our today's session, and in this session I'll continue with case 3 only. So previously we did 5 examples of case 3, and as you know all there are two conditions for the case 3. In the first conditions, the constants will be in the form of indeterminate, and in the second condition the constants will be in infinite condition, right? So we already covered 4 examples, that is from first to fourth example, that is from the first condition, and we just started previously, that is of second condition, right? In which we found the coefficients into the infinite form, right? So now again we are doing from the second condition only, but there are two types of second condition, right? As we discussed in last session, that once you will get zero form and once you will get infinite form. Okay, then let's start with our second type of the second condition. Okay, so here I have given 6 example. Solve in series x square y double dash plus xy dash plus x square minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, again I would like to say that just follow that fifth example. Okay, because here again I did only the main steps, rest of the steps I've got here, so please follow the fifth example for this. Okay, now in the very first step you have to decide whether it is from ordinary point or it is from singular point. So first check it out, that is by using its procedure, that first we have to find for that p of x and q of x. Then after put these all the values in the denominator, yani ki the values of x equals to 0, that put into the denominator, and if you will get 0 terms, then 0 denominator, then it will be of singular points, and if you will get non-zero denominator, then you will get ordinary point, right? So first do that, then after find based on the singular or ordinary points, you have to find its regular or irregular, and then after this, on based this one, you have to write its series solution. So for the series solutions, here I am getting singular points, so its series solution will be y equals to summation k equals to 0 to infinite ck x is to m plus k. Okay, now for the next you have to find see the equation for this. Here it is given y dash and y double dash also, right? So apply these both derivatives. Okay, y dash and y double dash, and then after putting these all the values in the equation number 1, right? And see यहाँ पे जो मैंने इक्वेशन लिखा है, जो क्वेश्चन लिखा है यहाँ पे याद रखना, एक्स स्क्वायर वाई डबल डैश प्लस एक्स वाई डैश प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4, यहाँ पे दिया है मैंने y. Okay, here I forgot to write, but use here y. Okay, now putting these all the values in the given equation. Okay, now then after step 1, for this you have to open the brackets if there is given any. So first term as it is, second term as it is, in the third term there is given. Okay, so x square minus y, उसको मैं यहाँ पे ओपन करती हूँ, right? In the next step you have to convert x into the single term of x, right? So see here, x square, and here x raised to m plus k minus 2, so that will be x raised to यहाँ पे this one, or here this, that x square, so it will be x raised to m plus k only, right? See here. Now next again there is given two terms of x, so converting into the single term of x, so it will be x raised to here 1, here m plus k minus 1, plus and minus 1 cancel, so it will be m plus k. And here you already open the brackets now, right? So x square into the दिस टर्म यानी कि x रेज टू m प्लस k प्लस 2 और -4 उनके साथ x नहीं है, so that will be as it is. Okay, now check is there any similar power of x or not. If yes, then just take out the common. So see the first, second and the third term, that's these both they having a similar power, right? So from these all the terms I am taking out the commons. So see first and second term, summation is common, m plus k is common, right? Sec k is common, x is to m plus k is common, right? और दोनों में से है m plus k common, but this one don't have m plus k. So from first and second term I am taking out the common m plus k. So remaining term will be m plus k minus 1 और यहाँ से आएगा प्लस 1, राइट? यहाँ से आएगा प्लस 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So m plus k whole square, right? This one. And यहाँ एक भी terms नहीं है, so it will be minus 4 as it is. And this one common terms as it is. And this one is यानी कि third term that having a single power, right? उसके जैसी कोई दूसरी term है ही नहीं. So just keep it as it is, that x is to m plus k plus 2. Okay, now next. You have to convert into the similar power, right? You have to make a similar power of x. So check करो first में power m plus k, in the second one is given m plus k plus 2. So last में हम लोग को change करना है, right? So वहाँ पे k की जगह पे कोई case आएगा, in place of k we will put k minus 2, then easily we can convert. So applying k equals to 2 in the last term, so it will be k equals to 2 to infinite sec k x is to k है वहां पे k minus 2 here and x is to m plus k minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel, so it will be only m plus k. Now you can check that this both term having a similar power but dissimilar limits, right? So see the series which is the common series, that is from 2 to infinite. So from the first term you have to rewrite two terms of k, right? So applying k equals to 0 and 1, so that will be for the k equals to 0 you will get this term, for k equals to 1 you may get this term, and at the last just combine both the series. Okay, so that will be from 2 to infinite m plus k whole square minus 4 into the sec k, and from this term sec k minus 2 and x raised to m plus k, that is common for all, right? Okay, so at the last you are getting here three terms, right? Now you have to equate the terms. So applying first term equals to 0, second as well as third term equals to 0. So first term equals to 0, it means m plus q whole square minus 4 into the c0 equals to 0, right? But as we know, c0 must not be 0, right? So m equals to plus or minus 2. Yani ki from this you can say that third case will be applicable because the roots are different and differ by n non-integer. Okay, so now next one term equals to 0. So here you are getting c1 equals to 0. So as c1 equals to 0, then c3, c5, these all the terms will be 0. And at the last term equals to 0. So that you can write here sec equals to, you have to make a subject of sec only, right? So sec equals to minus sec minus 2 upon m plus k whole square minus 4 here. Okay. Okay, now you have to find m1 and m2. M1 will be for the smallest root only. So the smallest root is minus 2, right? So m1 minus 2 and m2 plus 2. Now you have to do m1 minus m2, that is minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4. Okay, so minus 4 which is belongs to z, it means case 3 will be applicable. Okay, now go for the next. Now you have to apply its part, right? And part we will apply for the smallest root only. Okay, so which is your smallest root, that is minus 2, so we'll apply for minus 2 only. So apply in sec m equals to minus 2, so you will get this one, sec equals to minus sec minus 2 upon k minus 2 whole square minus 4, where you have to fix the boundary of k, and that will be here k is greater than or equals to 0. Now next you have to apply one by one all the cases for k. So applying k equals to 2, so it will be c2, you will get c2, so c2 will be minus c0 upon minus 4, right? So finally c2 will be c0 by 4. Same will apply k equals to 3, so c3 equals to c1 by 3. Same you will apply for k equals to 4, so c4 we are getting infinite. Okay, so from this we can define that this one is a case 3, but that is from which one condition? From second condition. Okay, as we know there are two conditions. First, in the first condition you will get indeterminate form, yani ki 0 by 0 form, and in the second condition you will get infinite constants. Okay, infinite value of constants. So here we are getting infinite, it means third case second conditions will be applied. Okay, so which is not valid, so we have to change the procedure to find the solution, right? This one already we have applied in the previous example, right? So we will continue with that procedure only, but this one part we will continue in our next session. So if you know anyone, then you can continue with this sum, otherwise we will continue with our next session. Thank you.